Allah does not shy away from making an example of a mosquito and what is above it. As for those who believe, they know that it is the truth from their Lord. But as for those who disbelieve, they say, what did Allah intend by this example? He leads astray many thereby, and He guides many thereby, but He misleads thereby only the evildoers. Subhanallah, the mosquito is an ordinary little creature, but Allah gives us its example in the Quran, to show us how this little creature has an extremely complicated nature. Only female mosquitoes bite people and animals to get a blood meal. Female mosquitoes need a blood meal to produce eggs. It is a female. It has 100 eyes in its head. It has 48 teeth in its mouth. Inside its little body there are 3 complete hearts. It has 6 knives in its nose and each knife has its special use. It has 3 wings on each side. In the body of this insect is a digital X-ray machine, which it uses to distinguish the human skin in the dark, in violet color. Its body also contains a small vaccine working as a local anesthetic to help it to insert its thorns in the human skin without any feel or pain caused by the suction of the blood. It has an instrument for blood testing, because it doesn't like all blood types. It has a special mechanism to speed up the blood flow so it can draw it faster.